pitch hopper giveaway. You want one of these for free? How do you get it? You go to christmaslights.io/group, join the Facebook group for Christmas lights. It's all of Christmas light installers. And between now and June 1st, every comment, every like, every post that you do will get you 1 point. Whoever has the most points in June 1st, I will give you either the 24-inch or the 32-inch. That is the giveaway. So make sure you go, like, comment. I don't care if you go back 2 years and like every post. I will tell you, Mr. David Merle, he's kicking butt right now. He's probably got more points than anybody by double. So don't let him just have it by letting him have it. Go like, comment, post. You know what you need to do. Go get it done. You can't let David win. He was a cop at one time. You can't let those guys win. Go like, comment, post, whatever you need to do. Each one's a point. Whoever has the most points, you will get a free pitch hopper. Again, it's about taking action. If you want things in business, you got to take action. You want a pitch hopper, you got to take action. I'm not even asking a lot, just every like, every post, everything. Go out there, get it done. June 1st, I'll give it to you for free. And I'll send it to your house and you get a free pitch hopper. So if you want a $100 value, you got to do a little bit of work and you can win. Hope you have a great day. And in the comments, let me know which one you like better, the 24-inch or the 32-inch. I'll see you all later.